Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. I am actually excited to unbox this one. I really like this piece. So this is by Matchbox and this is from their Superfast series. And this one is the 82 Datsun 280ZX. So let's unbox this and see how it looks. Okay, first let's take a look at the box. So this is the collector's box which you get along with the car. Okay, let's open the car itself. Okay, so this looks really beautiful. I really love this one. So the tires are actually made of rubber and you can open the part as well. Okay, you guys can see the interior. Here's the bottom view. So these are true grip tires, as I know Matchbox says. The trim on the rims looks really beautiful. So these lights or tail lights are actually painted on it. And the headlights, it doesn't have any paint on, but still it looks really beautiful, especially for its price range. So the detailing looks really nice. Okay, this piece in specific looks really beautiful in person. I don't know how it looks to you guys, in this video, but I personally love this so much. This looks really amazing. So let's see if it has any suspension. No, it doesn't have any suspension. Still, it is really awesome. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. Thank you guys, thank you so much. So it would be better if you guys subscribe. That means a lot much to me. So considering the fact it is taking so much time for me to put up all these videos during my working hours and all. So yeah, please consider subscribing guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye, have a great day.